delicious barbecue chicken. If you're interested, let's make it together. Alright guys, so we have some clean chicken here, and to that I'm gonna add some green seasoning. Alright guys, I'm gonna add this sauce, this marinade. It's called honey and garlic, so I'm gonna use this. If you don't have this, you can go ahead with like some soy sauce or some fish and meat sauce or the Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm going in with some adobo, all-purpose seasoning. Remember, this is salty, so be careful. So I'm also going in with some ground turmeric. Don't use too much. Along with our paprika. Right. I'm also going in with some complete seasoning. Guys, now let's work it in. Alright, and it's best to season meat from the night before, so that the chicken can soak up all that nice garlic, herbs, and spices. Alright, so we'll get in nicely. Anyways, in the packet, you can lift the sauce and get that in. I have to make sure we season it properly. Push the season in under the skin. Alright, and this is what we should be looking like. Alright, so we have the chicken. Well, marinade smells so good. Now we're going to sear them. I'm just gonna add a little oil to the pot, enough to sear the chicken, right? Skin down. So we're going with, this is one of my favorite barbecue sauce. So I'm going with that. Alright, so I'm going with some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add some ketchup to that. Along with some honey. Some honey. A little vinegar. So I'm going with a touch of ginger. And not too much. Because you don't want the ginger to be too strong in it. But you just want a little hot to build that flavor. And then we're just gonna combine all of this together. Remember a little bit of ginger because the ginger is very strong. So you have to know what you do when it comes to that. And then we have the sauce ready for the chicken. The sugar police act like you don't see this. You know, just skip this part of the video. Alright, so we're going with 2 packs of sugar. Brown sugar better enough, but I'm gonna use this. Alright, so once you combine it, always taste it. Because that's what I did. I tasted it and realized like you could have taken. That's it. Alright, so we have a chicken ready. I know some people are gonna say the chicken burn. The chicken not burn. Anytime you put a sauce on the chicken or some green Caesar, so as they drop them in the oil, they might start change color. That doesn't mean they're burned. So just wanted to make that clear. So what we're gonna do now is place these in a line baking pan. Alright. So this is our continual process. I'm gonna bake this for like maybe 30-45 minutes before I add the sauce to it. Alright, so I place these in. Usually when I sear chicken when we are barbecuing, but my intention was to make brown stew chicken. I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna do something a little different. Alright, so I just pop them in at the oven. Alright, let me get something to cover this. And being that we sear it, it will take less time for bake. So I guess that's the advantage. So I'll place this in the oven. Alright, so 350 for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, let's see. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I dip the chicken there. Water it. Alright, so just have to coat them here. Add them to the rack. so this is what we have. So we're gonna use any remaining sauce we have just to touch up anywhere we need anything, like here. All right, so you just go in, grab the sauce, just add it. All right, and now we're gonna just end up draining it because the file tear. You know this dry up in it, like a stick and take a hard for wash. We still have a rinse to it still. Right? Alright, so just have a lift this. So still upon 350. I make it stay for about another, I don't want enough camera 30 minutes. Alright, I'm going to go on the chicken. We might have to turn off the oven because, well, the rice not done and I don't want the chicken dry out. Alright, so this is what we have now. And then I practically finish. But as I say, I don't want the chicken dry out, so what I'm gonna do, I turn off the oven. By the time the rice almost ready for done, we turn on back the oven. Well, the heat still go in the oven. Alright, so we're gonna take out this now. So here we have it. And guys, if you've made it this far, please leave a comment, like, share, and I'll see you in another video, guys. Thanks for watching.